Crucial factors to worry about in property management. Greetings from Real Estate TV, I'm Adnan Jalo. Are you planning to own a property or you already own a rental property? Then this video is important for you because I'll be talking about the domino effect of property management that you must be cautious about and know, or else it can be a disaster. So stay tuned and listen. Property management is comprised of a multitude of minor decisions. Make wise decisions during the journey and the path will be smooth. But if you make poor decisions such as taking shortcuts, burning bridges, anger residents, or defrauding service providers, your difficulties will increase. You have the option of taking the correct path or the incorrect path. The choice is yours. Choosing the latter option though can have far-reaching consequences. It's similar to a domino effect, and here are some examples. 1. Listen to the wrong person. We demonstrated that when issues are made, regardless of how infrequently, we take them seriously and make every effort to address them. If you do not choose this course of action, there will have been a guaranteed mass exodus of good residents. 2. Failing to provide for your current resident. When you take care of your tenants, they are more likely to renew their leases. This is not the secret, this is the nature of man. We have all had negative experiences in a hotel or department shop and vowed never to return. The same holds true for property management. Unhappy residents result in vacancies, and vacancies result in cash flow issues, resulting in a domino effect. Residents talk to one another and misery loves company. Taking care of residents prevents poor areas from becoming random platforms for dissatisfied residents. Create a system that is responsive to your residents' need and you will retain them. 3. Not budgeting for the unexpected. Have you ever heard of the phrase, stuff happens? Clearing up the mess takes longer and costs more than expected. Be prepared for challenges that will arise as a property owner. These include burst hot water tanks, floor that requires new flooring and drywall, small fires that damages cabinet and appliances, broken windows. All of these have repair costs that are less than your insurance deductible. Got the idea? Therefore, wary of domino effect. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided you some valuable information. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a nice day.